Guys, I just found this little baby salamander. These guys get pretty big. I'm pretty sure he's a North American spotted salamander. Guys, I just caught this little tiny green lizard. Oh, there he goes. Guys, I found this house centipede. Look at this, guys. I found a giant garden snail. Thankfully, that nail wasn't a couple inches longer. Guys, I just got 2 big ones. Look at how big that guy is. That's so cool. Can't go under my shoe, buddy. And there he goes. This is actually a breeding pair, so I'm relocating them close to the water. Guys, I also found this young one. Look at how pretty they are as babies. Come on, bro. There you go. I think I see something over there. Look, there's a little tiny fry in there. These little guys might actually be fish in here. This is a burnt log. There could be a fire salamander under it. And I swear it isn't a Pokemon. Let's see. Doesn't look like there is. Guys, look at this frog. And watch what happens when I get closer to it. Did you hear that, guys? Make sure to like and subscribe, guys.